Imagine a world 250 million years ago, the Permian-Triassic period, a time of extraordinary biodiversity. A time when Earth was a sprawling canvas, painted with the vivid colors of evolution. Picture a bustling landscape teeming with an array of species that would boggle the modern mind, from towering dinosaurs that ruled the land to graceful marine reptiles that sliced through the ancient seas. The Earth was a thriving, vibrant planet humming with life. Now let's dive beneath the surface of the blue, where the marine life was just as diverse. The seas were home to a multitude of aquatic creatures, each more unique than the last. The oceans buzzed with activity as these marine species darted and dived, each playing their part in the grand tapestry of life. But it wasn't just the land and the seas that were filled with life. The skies, too, were a part of this grand spectacle. Early mammalian ancestors took to the air, their wings cutting through the sky, a testament to the great diversity of life during this period. This was Earth during the Permian-Triassic period, a testament to the power of evolution and the wonders of biodiversity. From the smallest microorganism to the largest dinosaur, every creature played its part in the symphony of life, contributing to an ecosystem that was as complex as it was beautiful. But all was not well in this paradise. A shadow loomed on the horizon, a catastrophic event that would forever change the course of life on Earth. This was the Permian-Triassic extinction event, a cataclysm that would extinguish nearly all life on our planet. The vibrant Permian-Triassic period, a time of extraordinary biodiversity, was about to face its darkest hour. The specter of extinction loomed large, threatening to erase the great tapestry of life that had taken millions of years to weave. But amidst this thriving tapestry of life, a shadow loomed on the horizon, the Permian-Triassic extinction event. This extinction event stands as the darkest chapter in Earth's history. The Permian-Triassic extinction, also known as the Great Dying, was not just another blip on the evolutionary radar. It was an unparalleled catastrophe that wiped out an astonishing portion of Earth's biodiversity. Imagine, if you will, a world teeming with life. Dense forests, stretching as far as the eye can see, bustling with creatures great and small. Seas, rivers, and lakes teeming with a rich variety of marine life. The sky filled with the fluttering of ancient winged creatures. This was the world during the Permian-Triassic period, an epoch of extraordinary biodiversity and ecological abundance. But as the saying goes, the brighter the light, the darker the shadow. And looming on the horizon was a shadow so dark, it would forever alter the course of life on Earth. The Permian-Triassic extinction event was a cataclysm of unimaginable proportions, an event so severe that it has been etched into the planet's geological record. What happened? In short, life as it was known ceased to exist. Nearly all marine species were wiped out, an extinction rate of a staggering 96%. On land, the picture was equally grim. 70% of all terrestrial vertebrate species were lost. The once vibrant landscapes of the Permian-Triassic period were replaced with desolate wastelands, void of the rich biodiversity that had once flourished. The cause? A lethal combination of volcanic activity, asteroid impacts, and possibly even the release of methane from the ocean floor. But regardless of the exact cause, the result was the same. The world was plunged into a period of darkness and desolation. In the aftermath, Earth was a shell of its former self. The once thriving ecosystems were reduced to mere shadows of their former glory, a haunting reminder of the vibrant world that once existed. The Earth was wounded, scarred by the events of the Great Dying, extinguishing the flame of nearly 96% of marine species and casting a shadow over 70% of terrestrial vertebrates. The Permian-Triassic extinction event stands as a stark reminder of the fragility of life and the power of natural forces. The causes of this monumental catastrophe are multifaceted and complex, an intricate puzzle that scientists have been striving to solve for centuries. The Permian-Triassic extinction event, often referred to as the Great Dying, is a testament to the formidable force of nature and the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. One of the leading theories proposes a chain reaction of environmental catastrophes, triggered by colossal volcanic eruptions. Picture this: Vast plains of the Siberian Traps, once serene and peaceful, suddenly ruptured by violent eruptions. Mountains of molten rock and rivers of lava surged across the landscape, spewing a lethal cocktail of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The air turned thick with ash and toxic fumes, shrouding the earth in a suffocating blanket. But the tale of the Great Dying doesn't end with volcanic fury. Another theory suggests that the planet's fate was sealed not only by the fury beneath its crust, but also by the cataclysm from above. Imagine a massive celestial body, an asteroid, hurtling towards Earth at unimaginable speed. On impact, it would have unleashed a shockwave of devastation, triggering wildfires, tsunamis, and casting a cloud of dust into the atmosphere that blocked out the sun. These two catastrophic events occurring in tandem would have created a deadly 1-2 punch. The volcanic eruptions would have led to rapid global warming and ocean acidification, decimating marine life and altering terrestrial ecosystems. The asteroid impact would have exacerbated these conditions, causing a dramatic drop in temperature and creating a nuclear winter effect. The fallout from these events would have been nothing short of apocalyptic. Ecosystems collapsed, species vanished, and the once vibrant canvas of life was reduced to a barren wasteland. Yet, as we'll explore in the next scene, even in the face of such despair, life found a way to endure. One prevailing theory points to the colossal volcanic eruptions that rocked the Siberian Traps. This theory, while not the sole explanation, provides a glimpse into the ferocious power of nature and the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. These eruptions triggered a cascade of environmental upheavals. As the Siberian Traps belched out their toxic cocktail of gases, the Earth's atmosphere began to change dramatically. Global warming, a term we're all too familiar with today, was also a harsh reality of this prehistoric world. The vast amounts of carbon dioxide released by the volcanoes acted as a blanket around the planet, trapping heat and causing temperatures to rise. This wasn't a gradual shift, but a rapid, intense heating that left species struggling to adapt. The lush prehistoric world began to wither under the relentless heat, turning fertile lands into inhospitable wastelands. But the devastation didn't stop there. As the oceans absorbed the excess carbon dioxide, their chemistry began to change. The once vibrant seas turned acidic, dealing a crushing blow to the marine life that depended on stable conditions for survival. Corals crumbled, shells dissolved, and the marine food chain collapsed. The very lifeblood of our planet was becoming a toxic soup, snuffing out the light of marine species one by one. Yet, it wasn't just the oceans that suffered. Freshwater ecosystems, home to a diverse array of species, were also disrupted. As rivers and lakes heated up, oxygen levels dropped, creating hostile environments for aquatic life. No corner of the biosphere was safe from the cascading domino effect of these environmental upheavals. And then, just when it seemed like things couldn't get any worse, another catastrophe struck. Evidence suggests that asteroid impacts may have delivered the final blow, amplifying the chaos. Massive celestial bodies collided with the Earth, causing widespread devastation. These impacts would have triggered massive wildfires, darkened the sky with dust and debris, and plunged the world into a sudden, chilling winter. In the end, the once vibrant Earth had become a hostile alien world. The Permian-Triassic extinction event was not a single disaster, but a series of interconnected catastrophes, each amplifying the effects of the last. The world as it was known had been irrevocably changed, setting the stage for the next chapter in the story of life on Earth. Yet, amid the devastation, a glimmer of hope emerged. Life, in its relentless pursuit of existence, unveiled its resilience. It took the scars of the Earth, the ashes of the old, and began to weave a new tapestry of life. The world was a harsh, unforgiving place in the wake of the extinction. The air was thick with toxic gases, the land barren and scorched. Yet some species managed to endure. These tenacious survivors adapted, evolved, and thrived, demonstrating the indomitable spirit of life. Take, for instance, the humble Lystrosaurus. This dog-sized herbivore, with its barrel-shaped body and shovel-like tusks, was one of the few terrestrial vertebrates to survive the extinction. With its ability to burrow and hibernate, it weathered the harsh conditions post-extinction. Over time, it proliferated across the globe, a testament to life's tenacity in the face of adversity. In the oceans, it was the ammonites that claimed victory over extinction. These ancient mollusks, with their coiled shells and tentacles, survived in the deep, dark depths, far removed from the turmoil above. They became the pioneers of the Mesozoic seas, setting the stage for the marine biodiversity we see today. And then there were the early mammalian ancestors, the cynodonts. Small and nocturnal, they eked out an existence in the shadows of the dinosaurs. Their adaptability and versatility allowed them to survive the extinction and eventually give rise to the mammals. And yes, that includes us, the humans. The Permian-Triassic extinction event was not the end, but rather a new beginning. It cleared the stage for new players, new stories, and new chapters in the grand saga of life. As we gaze upon the scars of the Permian-Triassic extinction, we are reminded of the fragility of existence and the profound resilience of life. We are a product of this resilience, a testament to life's ability to adapt and endure. Let us remember this as we tread our own path, for the lessons of the past can guide us towards a more sustainable future, one where we honor and protect the resilience of life on our remarkable planet.